All right, so we have cut out the plastic expansion piece on the threshold of this Larson Platinum storm door that we're trying to install. I've reattached these to this piece here. You just slide them back in. Now we're getting ready to put this back on the door. First thing you want to do is remove the backing of the double-sided sticky tape here on both ends of the tabs, and now we can put this piece back into the track of the door and slide it down. That double-sided sticky tape is underneath here, will help hold this in, and because we cut those plastic pieces, they will slide right into the edge here. Perfect. There we go. Now the threshold on your Larson Platinum storm door has been properly installed. You'll want to take some caulking and just seal the edge here, here, and here, and then here, here, and here to lock it into place. Also, I like to add a couple of screws, one in the middle, one through the plastic over here, and one through the plastic over here, just to secure this plate down. Manufacturer doesn't require it, but I think it's a safety or a trip hazard. So we just installed the threshold extension on the Larson Platinum storm door.